Hello Disney family and welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally doing a DIY and I have been thinking about this DIY for quite some time. It is very easy, very fun, very inexpensive, you know, my usual stuff, and of course Disney themed. So let's start with supplies. You need a pair of scissors, because duh. You need some paint pens, and you can get these actually at Michael's or any sort of crafting store. I have had these forever, so I always have them on hand. I've actually also gotten this one, this black one right here, I got at the Target dollar spot. So you can find them like cheap as well in like the Target dollar spot. Next, you need just like a printed out picture of whatever image you may want to transfer onto the cork board, which I'm going to show you next. I decided Cinderella's castle was what I wanted. And then this, I found this cork board at Target for $3 frickin'. So cheap, so perfect, but I'm very excited. You can also purchase cork, which I have a command center over in my kitchen. I purchased cork and I put it inside of a frame. You can do that as well. If you want to see how to do that, it's pretty easy, but this is even easier because this is just already done for you.
So obviously I start just by cutting the image out, and I make sure it fits the cork board and everything, and yeah, I just cut it out, and that is the first thing I do. So next I attach the image with tape onto the cork board, and then I decide on a paint marker, and I decided to go with just like a classic white on this. I just thought it would be really pretty, so I begin just tracing the outline of the castle image. So once my initial outline is done, I remove the image and then I go back over it with some more white marker just to bolden the lines so you can really see the picture. And then I decide to write the word home because it just feels appropriate. And then I added my nesting dolls collection to make my pinboard complete. And I am absolutely obsessed with how this turned out. I just think it's so gorgeous. It was so simple, so easy to do, so inexpensive, and I think even just your beginning DIYer can do this project.
I hope you enjoyed that DIY pinboard tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out to figure out what kind of content you guys are enjoying. And if you have not joined my Disney family, I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. We have a ton of fun on this channel. We do tons of DIYs and tips, tricks. I have 2 kids. I do traveling to Walt Disney World with kids, everything. You name it, I've got it. And I'm always open to requests as well. So if you would like to request something watching. Go ahead and leave me a comment below. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon.